Hey, this is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. And let me tell you, we have got a good word for you today. We're in Philippians, and as I read this next section here, I'm like, wow, this is really, really good. And so, a lot of these episodes are really, really good. Not because of me, but because of the words that are in the Bible that we're talking about here. So today we're reading from Philippians chapter 4, verses 8 and 9, okay? And so listen to this. It says, finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Whatever you've learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put it into practice, and the God of peace will be with you. Okay? It's just great stuff. You list off this stuff there. He says, finally, brothers and sisters. That's everybody, okay? Whatever is true, whatever is noble, okay? Whatever is right, whatever is pure, and whatever is lovely and admirable. All those things you want to put into your mind, okay? And he said, and think on those things. So you should weigh out what you put into your mind, okay? If you're just, putting trash in your mind all the time, well, it's gonna not turn out real well for you, okay? So he's saying, put these types of things in your mind, which is really spending your time in the Bible too. But I'm not saying you have to read that's the only book you ever read, but read other things that are good and true and trustworthy and honorable, all right? So if I watch movies that honor God and are not, and go folks also say, and are not dishonoring God, that's a huge step in the right direction, okay? But a lot of us are caught in like movies that the only movies we want to watch are ones that dishonor God, that are full of language and sex and everything else. And so that's dishonoring God. And we're putting that stuff in our minds, and soon our minds are thinking those things, okay? That goes along with the movies that you do, the books that you read, okay? Not every book that you read has to be a Christian book necessarily, but it shouldn't be offensive to God, okay? So put those things in your mind, the books that you read, the TV that you watch, all right? If you're watching new stuff, that can be offensive to God too at times, because it's, is it honoring God? Maybe not, okay? So those things, and then even the music that you listen to, and what you listen to on the radio and podcasts and stuff like that. I try and start my day out by listening to sermons and Bible teaching, and then I'll listen to more other things that interest me, like kayaking and backpacking and carpet cleaning and things like that, and then and audiobooks too, okay? But I try and start out my day with having godly stuff, Bible teaching put into my life to start off with. And so you will see, as you put that stuff into your mind, the bottom line is this: as you put that stuff into your mind, that stuff will flow out of you, okay? So, it's been over a week ago that I was almost in that bike accident, and when I was coming down that hill at a high rate of speed, and the front end of my bike started getting wobbly, the first thing that came out of my mouth was a cry to God for help, okay? It wasn't a curse word, and it wasn't like trusting in myself. It was a cry to God for help. And so, not that I'm better than anyone else, but if you put that stuff in your mind, that stuff is what's going to flow out of you, hopefully. So that's the bottom line. Watch what you put into your mind. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Philippians. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.